Hi beautiful folks, it's the girl Hannah and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. My name is Hannydoff and on this channel I do fitness, lifestyle and fashion. So as titled, today's video is going to be about fashion hacks. Okay, so I want to share with you my little fashion hacks I have, and you're going to be surprised. You'll be like, why didn't I know this till this video? Okay, so without much ado, let's get right into this video. Our first hack is going to be bra straps. We all have one favorite bra we always want to wear, but we can't wear with our tank tops. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to wear your bra with tank tops. So you're going to be needing your hairband. You pass your hairband through your bra, both straps, and then have two loops, and then pass one loop into one, and then pull one side out like this. But you make sure you pull it out very well so it doesn't come out, and that's it. You have your bra straps gone. Then you can feel comfortable wearing your tank tops and any sleeveless dresses. That's it. So at this point, I'm going to take it slowly for you to see it well. Very easy, very easy. And also I'm doing this video because if you follow this channel, you know I had ASOS and H&M haul recently, and then I totally forgot to hide my bra straps. Later on I watched the video and I was like, whoa, I didn't hide my bra straps, and it was showing the whole time. And so I decided to put out this video, and then if maybe someone is out there who doesn't know these tricks, can maybe add it to her fashion tips or tricks or hacks. Yeah, that's it. So it is very simple, very simple. You can do this every time you wear your sleeveless dresses or your tank tops, and then you're good to go. That's it. Our next hack is going to be with our jeans. If you're finding it difficult closing your button or zipping it up, this is very simple. You will need your hairband or elastic band, and then all you're going to do is to pass it through the buttonhole, bring it out, and then pass it through one loop, and then tack it, and then now you're going to hook it with a button, and then now you're free to zip it up. Very simple and easy. Yeah. So I did this method a lot when I was pregnant, and then it really helped me. I didn't buy maternity jeans and all that. Okay, very simple. And then you can wear your long top, or better still, just throw on some belts to cover it up, and then no one is going to know what is underneath. Okay, very simple. If you always struggle putting your blazer arms or your coat arms in place, then this hack is definitely for you, okay? Because this happens to me a lot. So let's do this one. Very easy. So all you're going to need is two hairbands, but you make sure the hairbands are loose, not too tight. So you pass it on the blazer like this, and then you do the other arms same way. And then all you're going to do is to play around with it so it doesn't look like something is going on there. Very easy. So you do the other one same way, and then that's it. You have it stay in place without moving up and down. Okay, very simple. And then this thing happened to me recently. If you watch my lookbook, my spring lookbook, you're going to see this in the video. Okay, so I was struggling to pull it up and down. Anytime I move myself, then it comes down. Okay, so when I do this, then it's going to stay in place the whole day. Very simple and easy to do. Our next hack is going to be with our cleavage or our low cut dresses. Anytime you don't have your brooch around, all you're going to need is your earring, any earring of your choice. And then all you're going to do is to tack both cuts together, and then pass your earring through it, and then use the bolt behind it, and then that's it. You have your cleavage or your low cut fixed. If you're a mommy like me, this hack is really going to help, because I don't like showing my mommy boobs outside. So that is very simple to do and very easy. I've been doing this for so many years, and then, you know, nothing has happened. It really works. Very easy to do too. So our next hack is with our bracelet. You know how annoying it gets when no one is at home, you know, fixing your bracelet and you can't. What you're going to need is a safety pin or bobby pin. So you hold it like this, very simple, and then easy to do. You're done. Very easy. So try this hack and let me know. Very easy to do, and then you're done. Our next hack is going to be how we tack our pullovers or our sweatshirts into our jeans, okay? So when you tack it in front like this, you're going to look pregnant, okay? It's going to look like, you know, not perfect. It's really not nice. So the better way to do it is to tack it into your bra or your tank top you are wearing underneath, okay? So it comes out very neat. And then, you know, same style, but then, you know, it looks better like this. And the next one you can do with this is to tack it on the side, okay? Sideways, so you don't look pregnant, like I said earlier. Very simple, and then, you know, it's always better. And then the next one is to use your belt, okay? You can also use your belt, and then, you know, you tack your belt and then pull it up from the belt so it looks better, or it stays in place like this. Very easy to do. So the next one is to have hair bands. So you have two ponytails on the sides of the pullover. Whenever you have nice jeans or your nice pants you want to show, you have to always put in your pullover upwards like this. So you put them in, and then, you know, it's gone. And then you have your trousers or your jeans showing. Very easy and simple to do too. Very nice. And then you don't look too tacky. Very simple. So this next hack is for coats and blazers, okay? So anytime you dress up and you don't want to wear your coat or your blazer fully, you just want to throw it on for weather, or, you know, very simple. All you're going to need is two safety pins to pin your blazer and then your dress together, and then, you know, your top, your dress together to make it stay in place, and it's not going to come out. You're going to wear it the whole day till you take it out. Very simple and easy to do. I hope you're enjoying these hacks. So anytime you forget to wear your dresses or your tops before you do your makeup, then this hack is for you. You just throw on some satin scarf, and then you wear your top or your dresses, and you're not going to get makeup stain in your dress. Very easy to do, but you make sure you're not using a cotton scarf to do this. You use satin scarf so you don't stain any of your clothes. So this is it. Very easy, and then no makeup stain in my clothes. So this is our last hack, and it's with our scarf, okay? So anytime we wear our scarf, sometimes it's not comfortable. We always have to do something with it. If you are not careful, sometimes it falls out. Like, you know, you always have to be fixing it. You always have to do something with it. Like, this is very simple. All you're going to need is your hairband, okay? Another hairband, and then get your scarf together like this, and then tie both together, and then just put it together, and then you have your scarf fixed with no stress, no coming out games anymore. You know, very simple to do, and that's it. Very simple and comfortable, no stress, and no one is gonna know. for today's video. I told you this video is going to be a life-changing one. You know, I didn't know about a lot till recently, so I hope this video helped or it's going to help you later. So, you know, it's very, you know, it is effortless, very simple, and then, you know, gosh. So please do subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll get back to you. Bye.